So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle, beautiful, inspiring content. So if you like more of these videos, kindly please subscribe and turn on your bells so you don't miss any of my videos. So today we are going to do a hair tutorial, and for starts we have already pre-twisted our hair. So this is just normal twist. I tried making them as clean parting as possible. So that is what we have. So I did that for the whole hair. And the braid we are going to use is this braid. It's in sister and its name is called Rasta, and it's a braid. It's not a crochet, it's a braid. It's written braid. So that is how. So I bought it 470 shillings at my local cosmetic shop, and I bought 2 packs. So I bought number 2 and number 1. So I've already opened number 2. Is it? No, I did open number 1. Let me show you how they look like. So in one pack they are 24 of this, so I have 2, so that makes it 48. So let's start braiding. So we are going to take our first braid like that. So we have a shorter side and a longer side. So I'm just going to apply some leave-in conditioner and some butter for my base, because you know I don't do gel. So that side. Then you're going to take our braid, remember a shorter side and a longer side. Then you're going to just do a normal 3-strand braid, just a normal one, a couple of times. So you want to have your hair and the shorter side the same side. Then you want to have the longer braid on this other side. So we are going to unravel this longer braid. Just take out as much hair as you can.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Here is the most important part. You want to start, just a minute. So you want to start wrapping going to the base of your hair. You wrap going to the roots. So let's do that.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So once you reach the root, you want to wrap going down.
To create a song. and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Once you reach at the end of your hair, just do a knot. Then this hair that has remained, just wrap it. And then your knot, just wrap it between your palms, and voila, that is how your braid is looking like. So you want to do for the rest of your hair. I've done a bigger portion of camera, so I'm only remaining with this part, just a few braids. Yeah, just remaining with this part. I'll do a time lapse of like 2 braids, then I'll come back and show you how they're looking like.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So we are done, and this is the following day. That is how they are looking like. That is how the ends are looking like. That is how the grip is looking like. So a quick one, you need to have your roots very tight because you want to stay for like about 3 weeks before we take them down. So the grip has to be really tight, and as you wrap along, you also have to be very careful so that your hair doesn't peep through. So this took me about 4 hours. It was on and off, but if you're quick and you're not so busy with other stuff, I'm sure you can do this. You can always do this over the weekend. I'm sure you can have some time off for something like this. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until the next video, bye.